key ingredient to the soft landing is energy cannot go higher. Look at what happened in September, October, and November, really in August, because this is lagging. Around August, we saw, oil was in a clearly defined uptrend, right? And that's what played out as this fifth wave pattern right here, five-wave pattern right here. This is my bigger chart. I still think that what we just went through was a fourth wave, and we're setting up for this big fifth wave push to new highs. And until critical levels break, this is what the price pattern suggests. But to support that, what we got off the low in May was a five-wave move, and our third wave was in August. Remember, and that's kind of around the time that the market started selling off. I think it had a lot to do with energy, because as energy went higher, we saw a reacceleration within oil. We were getting these great numbers, 3.2, all of a sudden 3.7, 3.7. Now we're decelerating again, and the reason why that is because energy is going down. And so, does that, what does that mean? From the larger perspective, we have five waves up. 1, 2, there's your A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. And it held critical support, which to me was between 70 and 67. And now, if we take a look at the pattern off the actual low we just had, it's looking like we got another 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another 5-wave pattern in the middle of that being your third wave. And then look at what we're getting on the way down. 1, 2, 3. And then a 3-wave move up. To me, this is like your A. We're getting a B, probably extend, and then one more C down into here. So what does this mean? If we are in this larger move higher, it's going to be in the form of a 5-wave pattern. Okay, that's why I'm looking at these patterns in such small time scales, because they're fractal. The small ones built into bigger ones, which build into bigger ones until you hit your target. And so far, everything that I've seen since May is supporting this thesis that we're going up into the 130s with oil. And until we break below 67, I'm not, to me, that's what the price patterns are suggesting. And then to even further confirm it, we got another 5-wave move off the low, and it looks like 3 waves back. So if we break back above 76.35, it should be in a vertical move. And that's going to be pretty much even further confirming this. And so what does that mean for the soft landing scenario? It means it goes goodbye. There is no soft landing when energy goes higher.